Hey guys, it's Anthony here, Super Duty Service. I got a Ben's truck here. We went ahead and fired it up, or started on it tonight. Here, I'll let Julie take the camera and show the truck. It is his truck. All right, come on. Good, come on. All right. Well, Ben, it was a lot more evident than that one that I showed you, that leaking one. This one, absolutely definite Y-pipe leak. Let me get it to focus here. Yep, she's leaking pretty bad. So you can see by the leak here. See, this goes. Let me see if I can get it in there while on video. You can see the line of where it starts is right here, right in that indentation, which is right there. Right there is where it starts, and it just goes down from there. So, yep. Well, that's good. We found the smoking gun. So, thought I'd take a little video, show this, because we're going to clean all this up, and there'll be no evidence of it next time you see it. But definitely is Y-pipe failure, and man, just another deal here. Do you have a new one? This is intake air temp sensor, IAT2. And anytime a delete or anything is messed with the EGR valve, this needs to be cleaned. Well, it wasn't freaking clean. So your intake air temp sensor was just plugged all the way to crazy. But oh well, you know, I mean, I don't know. That's what we got. So I'm gonna go and clean that out. Your EVP sensor, your EVP2, that's just what we do. Anytime we break one down, you clean the MAP sensor hose, which is this one right here, that goes to the intake. Your EVP hose sensor, there you go. It's almost plugged up, which is that hole right somewhere, right there. Right there, it's just about plugged up. I could grab the light, but I'm holding the sensor. So, good deal. We'll get all that cleaned out. All the sensors all clean. The truck will be reading everything properly and have all of its boost rather than that freaking Y-pipe leak. So, yep, we'll go ahead and get it knocked out, but I thought I'd show too aftermarket valve cover gaskets, aftermarket intake gaskets, and another tough one. There's the intake gaskets. And look, for some reason these three injectors, the connectors, I mean, I haven't popped the valve covers off, I'll get that in a minute, but for some reason, look, the O-ring inside is orange. Same with these. The O-rings are all orange on this side, and we have one orange one on the driver's side. So, yeah.
The bad one.
Yeah, the bad one is this one, so it's an orange one. I'm pretty sure most of the Ford ones, I can't remember. They're either orange or green, I don't know. But, yeah, we'll go ahead and tear down into it, and we should have it buttoned up here soon. We gotta get that Y-pipe done. That's the way I do them fun bolts on the driver's side that I told you about. Alright, everybody else have a good day.